All right, I'm here. It's about 3 o'clock. Yeah, I'm in Mount Washington, New Hampshire. Gary, get on the Mount Washington Cog Railway. We'll head up that mountain. It's going to take about 45 minutes to get there. Stay up there for an hour, and then it comes down. Takes about 45 minutes. And it's a Cog Railway because to get up the steep grade, it has like a traction system, cogs that kind of help you get up the mountain because it's so steep. Parts of it is like a 25% grade. So I'm gonna give you some pictures from that. So we see how it goes. I'm gonna spin around. Sun's starting to come out. It's been raining kind of the whole day. Spin around, and that's what we're going to do. So I'll show you some video as we crest the top and come on down. And supposedly the highest temperature ever recorded was only 75 degrees. And that was in August, a couple of years ago.
Now, if you take a look at the trees around here, take a look at two things really. Look at the height of the trees and how much smaller they are. And also notice that these trees, do they kind of look like they're at a funny angle growing here? Have you noticed that? Yeah. Well, that's kind of an optical illusion because the trees aren't the ones at the funny angle. We are. I hate to break that to you. Now, just up here on the right, we have the halfway house, and this is going to help kind of reorient your sense of horizon, because this building is built and it's exactly level. On the front side of it, there's a reflection window, and you can take a picture as you go by if you like. But this will help you. Take a good look at it on the right-hand side here, and you see that the trees are in fact perpendicular. And this house, this building is truly level. Take a good look. Wow. Isn't that interesting? Yeah. Now, it does look like on a piece of track that's about 300 feet long. It makes a left-hand turn, about a 30-degree left-hand turn. And since we're on this trestle, we're also going to be about 30 feet in the air above ground. And we're at a 37.01-degree angle here. So here we are, folks. Jacob's Ladder begins, and check this out. Okay, as an example, as I'm standing here on the front platform, I'm about 14 feet above the back of the coach down near the engine. That's 14 feet above here. So stand up. This is something that you have to try yourself. You can't duplicate this on a video game. Looking over to the right, you can see it.
All right, I made it to the top of Mount Washington. The train, Cog train going back down. Man, look at the clouds, man. It's crazy. You can see how fast it's moving. If you look at the top of the screen, see how fast the clouds are moving. Supposedly we went through 4 different... Look at how fast the clouds are moving up here. Supposedly we went through 4 different climate zones. Reaching the top. I'm going to spin around. We're at the observation deck. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon, 4:30. To my left, right there in the background is the weather observatory. They said it's been the clearest it's been all day, as far as the sun peeking in and out. And look at that, man. That is crazy. So that's the train. Well, we weren't on that train. We was on the one right here. So we up here for an hour, and then we'll turn around and get back on that train. That train's about to head back down. I think they said it like 700 yards between each train. So that one's about, if you look right up under the front of that train, you see the cogs, the gear that drives right there in the middle of that track, almost like a bicycle sprocket. Just imagine like a chain laid down, and the sprocket or bicycle just grabbing those sprockets and pulling it up and taking it back down. There's that one going. You can see the cog right up front. See it grabbing that chain that's laid down, the cogs is laid down on that track. It's pretty neat. Top of Mount Washington. The seats on there flip forward to backwards, so on the way up you're facing one way and you just move the back of the seat forward and you face the other way, so you're going the other way with the train. Just goes forward and backwards. Well, look, I'm gonna just look in the sky. Hopefully you can see the clouds just going by. Look how windy it is. When we got up here, you can almost take your jacket off at the bottom of the summit, and then up here you definitely have to put your coat on. All right, that's the weather observatory, and just look at the clouds, how fast it's zooming across there, man. Isn't that crazy? Top of Mount Washington, New Hampshire, above the clouds. And there go that train at a distance. That's the last one. That's the one we're gonna be on the way back. It's beautiful, man. And I'm gonna go, if you follow the track, you can't see it. It just went into the clouds, the one that's ahead of it. So they like to be 600 to 700 yards apart. They got two trains, the A and the B. All right, you see the two trains, one right there to the right, and one's about to disappear right there in the center. Here we go into the sun. It's crazy how we're above the clouds. Okay, been at the summit for about an hour, and here the train's coming back. So that's our train coming back up the mountain, and we're gonna get on that. That's the last train going back. And I told you they like to be 700 yards apart. There go train B. So coming back up the mountain. So soon we're going down. We'll head on back to the staging area. It's crazy how beautiful it is up here. So that's the horn of our train coming back into the station. So it doesn't wait long, so I had to get ready to get back on. All right, there go the Cog System, and you see the cogs right there, where the gear's right there in the center. It pulls along that track right there, almost like a bicycle chain, and it pulls it up the mountain. That's why it's called the Cog Trail. So one right there, and also you see the same cog system. You see the same cogs right there on the cars, and that's used for the braking. So you got two on each car, and one right there on the front of the train, and you got one on the back side of the train. And you see that's the chain-like rail system that pulls it up and down the mountain. biodiesel. It's like the only one in the country, or the first one built in the country. So again, see the Cog System. All right, get your head down or something.
Welcome aboard, everybody. Whoops. What happened? Test, test.
Good.
All right, get your head back down the mountain. There goes the first train, train B, and this is our train A. So same seat, but I was in the back on the way up, and now I'm in the front. Seats just back, the seats just flip forward and backwards.
Well, we don't have a microphone.
So we're on our way down.
Well, you know.
So it looks like everything cleared up. You can kind of see the mountain there.
My battery's so low, I bet the camera won't work. I bet that's exactly what it is. No, it's working. Is there any way you can try to take a picture of the mountain? Oh, you gotta take your glove off. I'm sorry. Thanks, sweetie. If I hit, see if that's okay. They should see it though. Well, I knew it would. Yeah.
Heading on down. Wow, see how fast everything covered up. Just took the camera away for a few seconds, and now the mountain is covered in fog already.
My microphone died. But there's a pretty situation right here. This is called an undercast. We're actually above the clouds. Check this out. Very pretty.
You did get a good one. You got a really good one. I was thinking of that. Now that's probably important.
You see these mountains on the way up?
But they were covered with clouds, weren't they?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Those are the northern presidential mountains over here we can finally see. Mount Clay, Mount Jefferson, Mount Madison, and there's a fourth one over there in the clouds, Mount Madison.
So were you the conductor on the way up?
No, you didn't come up with me.
Okay.
Yeah, my microphone's for some reason not working.
Jet did, yeah. I want to get a picture of that house over there. The one, that little house, it looks like it was sitting sideways, but it wasn't.
Oh, the one that was leaning?
Yeah. Well, we were leaning. It wasn't right.
Yeah, that's right.
That's why I want to take a picture of that when we get close to it.
I don't know whether I got it or not.
You'll get a